Hello artists, I'm excited to announce the new monthly painting theme for the month of June 2026. I'm calling it Chasing Yellow. Now, I have many reasons to love the month of June. It happens to be my birth month, and my mama's name was June. My middle name is June, and oh, I miss my mama so much. But she used to call me, my nickname was Sunshine. So I thought that's a perfect reason to feature the color yellow in the month of June, and it's just such a happy color. And of course, we'll be painting yellow subject matter, but I'm going to use this month as an opportunity to teach more about this amazing and very unique color. We'll dive into some color theory about the color yellow and why I actually use yellow as my starting point on the color wheel. We'll learn about the differences between warm yellows versus cool yellows, and also the powerful and beautiful impact of the color yellow emotionally on our artwork and for the viewer. Now, of course, I'll be bringing tutorials to the Monet Café YouTube channel, but if you're a patron of mine on my Patreon page, I've got some extra special content for you, along with a fun and creative game challenge. I think you're gonna love this one. I know you guys love the game challenges, so be sure to check that one out, and I hope to see your entries soon. All right, everyone, I'm excited about this month's happy theme called Chasing Yellow. I hope you will join me, and as always, God bless and happy painting.